Dear students, in the last session we have discussed the meaning of staffing, features of staffing. Today we are going to discuss about steps involved in staffing. Human resource planning, recruitment, selection, placement and orientation, training and development, performance appraisal, promotion and transfer, compensation, working environment. Let us discuss each steps in detail. First one, human resource planning. Staffing process begins with the estimation of manpower requirement, which means finding out number and type of employees needed by the organization in near future. Manpower requirement is not only to find out number of people needed, but also the type of people. Type means people with what qualification needed to be appointed. HR planning analyzes current human resources, forecast future requirements, identifies areas where there are gaps, and then implement a plan to bridge those gaps. So, HR planning is the process of forecasting the future human resource requirements of the organization and determining as to how the existing HR capacity of the organization can be utilized to fulfill these requirements. Next one, recruitment. After assessing the number and type of employees required, the manager should ensure that more and more people should apply for the job so that organization will get more choice and can select better candidates. We can recruit people either from inside the organization, and if that is not possible, we can recruit from outside through advertisement, placement consultants, employment exchanges, etc. So, recruitment simply refers to the process of inducing people to apply for the job in the organization. Selection. Once the potential applicants are identified, what is the next step? Next step is to evaluate their qualification, qualities, capabilities, etc. and make selection. The selection process varies from industry to industry, company to company, and even among departments of the same company. The selection is a process of picking the right candidate with the prerequisite qualifications and capabilities to fill the jobs in the organization. So simply selection means it is the process of choosing the most suitable candidates from those who apply for the job. Placement and orientation. After selection, the employee is given appointment letter and is asked to occupy the job position. So placement refers to occupying of post by the candidate for which he is selected. Whereas orientation refers to introduction of or introducing new employees to the existing employees, to their jobs, to the new responsibilities and workplace. It allows employees the chance to feel comfortable with the new roles of the organization. Training and development. After placement, the next step is to provide training to new employee. With fast changes, the need for training employees is being increased to keep the employees in touch with the new developments. Like that, if employees are not at all having suitable opportunities for their development and promotion, they get frustrated, which affect their work also. So, employees should be given training and proper development opportunities. Remuneration and compensation. Jobs must be evaluated, or it must be analyzed and ranked. Then fix the apt compensation. Compensation refers to salary, wage structure, incentives, etc. Performance evaluation. At this step, capability of employee is judged. Here, actual worker performance is compared with the assigned work. If results are unfavorable, he is again given training. Transfer. A transfer is a lateral movement within the same grade from one job to another. It may lead to changes in duties and responsibilities. It may also bring changes in working conditions, but not necessarily salary. So, transfer is a lateral movement within the same grade from one job to another. Next one, promotion. In this step, employees earn promotion to higher post on the basis of their performance, so that employees will get better salary, status, role, etc. Working environment. A positive work environment is something that makes employees feel good about coming to work every day, and it motivates them to sustain in the organization. So, a healthy work environment increases productivity and it will reduce absenteeism. These are the steps involved in staffing. After hearing these steps, what you have understood? From management perspective, staffing is perhaps one of the important functions, since it touches not only filling vacant position but filling vacant position with right personnel in the right jobs at right time. Hope you understood today's session. Thank you.